Welcome to the journey we travel. In this video, we bring you an exclusive guide to opening a bank account in the beautiful Dominican Republic. Discover the seamless process of banking in paradise as we walk you through the necessary steps, requirements, and insider tips for opening an account. We know that banking in a foreign country can be daunting, but fear not, we are here to give you a breakdown of everything you need to know to simplify the process. Whether you're an expat, a local, or currently living abroad and just about to take the plunge on heading down to the tropical paradise, this tutorial is tailored to meet your needs in navigating the Dominican banking system. You will learn about these two local banks, Banreservas and Banco Santa Cruz, in this video. We delve into the requirements needed to open an account as an individual. Our detailed explanation covers the essential documents, identification proofs, and government regulations that you must consider. Furthermore, our video highlights the unique perks of banking in the Dominican Republic. Gain insight into the low minimum deposit requirements and the range of online banking services available to ensure smooth financial management. No matter what your reason is for seeking a bank account in the Dominican Republic, we've got you covered. Our video provides a comprehensive overview that will leave you feeling confident and well prepared for your next steps in this tropical banking paradise. So sit back, relax, and join us on this virtual journey to discover the exceptional banking opportunities that await you in the Dominican Republic. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more informative content regarding banking in paradise and living the life you deserve. Are you dreaming of a tropical paradise? Want to enjoy the stunning beauty of the Dominican Republic while managing your finances? Look no further. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of opening a bank account in this paradise. This video will provide all the information needed for a foreigner to open a Dominican Republic bank account, or even a local will find this information useful. We want to let you know that opening a bank account in the Dominican Republic is not as difficult as you may think. The first bank we'll be focusing on is Banco De Reservas, also known as Banreservas. Banreservas is currently the largest bank in the Dominican Republic. It opened an office in Madrid, Spain in January 2023. The first Dominican bank with a presence in Europe. In June of 2023, it received final approval from the U.S. Federal Reserve to open 2 branches in the United States, one in Miami and the other in New York. They are currently waiting for approval to open a branch in Panama. So since you now know some facts about this bank, let's talk about the requirements to open an account at Banreservas. This bank requirement is a lot less stressful than what is required from the other banks such as Banco Popular Dominicano. Don't worry, the process is straightforward and the bank staff will guide you every step of the way. Once you've gathered all the necessary documents, visit any local bank branch. As a foreigner or expat, you're required to show the bank representative the following: 2 forms of ID including your passport, bank statement from your bank at home showing where the money is coming from. It would be a good idea to have at least 3 months bank statements or up to a maximum of 6 months most recent bank statements. The money to open the bank account. Your income tax statement. They don't always ask to see this, but it's a good idea to walk with it should in case they do. Banco De Reservas, also known as Banreservas, is a bank that is known in the Dominican Republic by the locals as a bank that processes government payments. So what we mean by that is everyone who receives a pension or who works for the government down there gets paid through this particular bank. For that reason, this bank is always extremely busy, especially at the end of the month. The 25th of the month is when the government pays their employees, so during that time, this bank is even busier. This is why people don't like this bank. Let's now dive into the process of actually opening the account with Banreservas. So you have with you all the required documents as previously stated in this video. You've arrived at the bank and are now waiting to see a bank representative. Once you've reached the representative, we'll ask you several questions, such as where do you live? Where were you born? What do you do for a living? Are you retired? As well as other questions. The representative will need to gather all this information from you for them to fill out their form online. Once they have completed filling out the form, you'll have to wait until they approve it. Sometimes they can tell you right away that they will approve your request to open the account. Some banks tell you it takes 5 to 10 business days and they'll give you a call back to come back into the bank to finish the process of opening the bank account. With this particular bank, Banco De Reservas, you can wait to see if you get approved that same day to officially open the bank account. If they are unable to open the account for you that day, they will simply inform you that they need more time and will call you to come back into the bank once everything is ready to proceed with opening the account. Just note that the process while in the bank can take anywhere to approximately 3 hours with the bank representative. So be sure to pack your patients along with you for that day. Remember to be friendly and that you're in the Caribbean. Everything down there runs on island time. Now, in some cases, you can get a call back from the bank later on that same day to go back and officially open the account. At that point, you'll just need to go back into the bank with the money to put into the account and register to open the account or accounts. For this particular bank, Banco De Reservas, also known as Banreservas, you are required to deposit a minimum amount of 500 pesos to open a peso account and $500 US to open a USD account with them. As you are fully aware, the exchange rates are constantly changing. But at the time of putting this video together, the exchange rate for 500 Dominican pesos for the following countries, to give you an idea of the cost, is as follows. $12.04 Canadian, $8.79 USD, €8.20 Euro, $7.12 British pounds. The next bank we'll talk about is Banco Santa Cruz. How to open an account with Banco Santa Cruz. The process to open an account with Banco Santa Cruz is pretty straightforward. You will need the following: last 6 months bank statements from your current bank in your country, 2 pieces of ID, social security number, reference name, proof of source of income, money to put into the account you will be opening. You will need the following amount to put into the account being opened: 3,000 Dominican pesos, 500 USD. Once you go into the bank with the required documents, the bank representative will take all your information and then inform you that they will call you back into the bank to finish the process of opening the account. Banco Santa Cruz, on average, takes approximately 2 to 3 days to give you a call back to finish the process of opening the bank account. The banks here offer a wide range of services, including international transfers, online banking, and even loans for investment opportunities in this vibrant country. It is important to note that many banks in the Dominican Republic have user-friendly mobile banking apps. This allows you to conveniently access your account, check your balance, and make transactions while relaxing on the beach or exploring this tropical paradise. When it comes to withdrawing cash, ATMs are widely available throughout the country. They allow you to access your funds easily, whether you're in bustling Santo Domingo or the serene beaches of Punta Cana. The Dominican Republic has a robust banking system, ensuring the safety and security of your funds. The banks in the Dominican Republic are regulated, providing you with peace of mind and financial stability. So why choose the Dominican Republic for your offshore banking needs? Its stable economy and strategic location make it a great place to preserve and grow your wealth, all while living in paradise. Here is some contact information for the two banks we discussed in today's video. Banreservas, online, phone, email, Banco Santa Cruz, online, phone, email. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of best places to visit, live, retire, and much more. Check out this playlist of our top videos of the Dominican Republic. Until next time, happy and safe travels.